What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna do an unboxing. Here we have the GOTRAX G5. It arrived today, brand new. Let's open this up. So this is my first electric scooter. Pretty excited. I was doing a lot of shopping. A lot of people told me to go with GOTRAX. The instructions here. I got the GOTRAX G5 electric scooter user manual. You know, guys hate reading instruction manuals. Let's put that to the side. So we got, not too sure what this is. Got an Allen wrench. We'll find out what later this is. Might be for the brakes. This package really nice. So I can pull this one out first. Some hardware in there. Keep that. Alright, so we got it out the box. It's a lot bigger than I expected. So it's 44 pounds. Dimensions is 45 by 18 and a half by 48. Go ahead and take off this bubble wrap. Alright. Get this off, and the next step will be hook up the handlebars and then the brakes. And then we should be able to charge this bad boy. So I got these four screws. It's going to be for the handlebars, 2 on each side. And I figured out what that little tube was. This is for the tires, so you can pump it up. It's kind of nice, gives it a nice bend. And this box is a charger. That. So we'll go ahead and mount the handlebars and get the charger hooked up. And so we're just gonna tighten these screws down. There's 4 of them. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I'm also going to close this clamp. This is the clamp to hold the handlebars up. Now's the best part. Peeling off the sticker. Bam. Alright, so we're just gonna turn this on. I said all the passcodes or the lock is 0. So we're just gonna go down one time. 0, 0. Double tap. And we're good to go. Blue LED lights. I'm not too sure if it's LED, but I think it looks pretty dope. And then in the front here, we got the LED lights. Just double tap, turns that on. And then the brake light also works too. So you press the front or the back brake. It does that little blinking, which is pretty dope. So next, I'm gonna test this out outside.